In this video, we're going to subtract two numbers, 16 minus 12. And it's always important to remember your place value. The purple numbers are the tens, and the blue numbers are the ones. So for this particular problem, when we do 6 minus 2, we know that that's equal to 4. So for this problem, you don't have to borrow or regroup because the subtraction of 6 minus 2 is just a simple subtraction and it gives you 4. We'll do a regrouping problem next in the next video. So then you take a look at your ones column. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So you could put 0 here, but you don't need to. You could just leave it blank. So it would look like this. So 16 minus 12 equals 4. And stick around for some of my other videos that show you how to do this kind of subtraction using base value blocks or models with grouping and borrowing. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. Just rewind and watch it again.